Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can use AirPlay in LG Smart TV. You have two options. Example, all system iPhone has this function, okay? My iPhone 12, yes, 12 and 11 has AirPlay, and my iPad, all system iPhone, iOS has AirPlay. But not TV, not all LG Smart TV has this function, okay? Now, in this case, can you see this is my screen mirror, but Windows, okay? If I want use AirPlay here, my Smart TV LG, this model don't have that function, okay? Now, can you see I going here and touch here, and this TV not is this TV, is my other TV in my house, okay? If I want share this screen here, I need use this, okay? This is an adapter. Can you see this is HDMI cable connect here, put here HDMI, and this connect in my screen. With this can I share my screen in my TV when my TV don't have this function AirPlay. And this is all for this video. The other system, the most easier, when your TV has is AirPlay, you just need only come here and touch here and touch here, and this is all. It's very easy and very fast. And this TV, or doesn't matter, or the other TV, that TV has Wi-Fi, AirPlay, you just need connect this and this in the same Wi-Fi, okay? And this is all. Sorry for my English. Have a good day. See you later.